what's up, fellas? How you doing? It's your boy Al. Right now I'm back again on the layout to do Series 2. Series 2 is going to be removing all the Rollingstock and the figures. So if you take a look behind me, you can see that there's quite a bit of Rollingstock up here. I'm going to remove most of it, except for I'm going to leave like one train setup or whatever, just to have while I break stuff down, you know, things like that. Take a look at the layout so you can see. I will just show you the yards, at least right here, so you can see just how much is here. Doesn't seem like a lot, but when you start boxing it all up, I'm going to put it in a tote, which I have down here. Take a look. There's Adarius' big head. Say what's up, Adarius?
What's up?
Okay, as you can see, the tote is right here. That's all the cars bagged up. I bagged up the emergency vehicles, but we're all done with this part right now. Right now, I'm just going to be taking off all the rolling stock and all the people. The one thing I've done so far is I took off the emergency people because I bagged it all up together for the emergency scene. And here's a whole bunch of cars over here. I'm going to set the tripod up and then have it go super fast so that you won't have to sit here and watch me do this for the next 20-30 minutes. All right, so let me set this up. All right, so I'm going to begin this process. I have some paper. I'm going to try, hopefully I can, wrap them up, put them away, you know, nice and, I guess, safe. Safer than leaving them all in the box. I think that's been kind of hard. So I'm going to try wrapping them in this wrapping paper. And as I start, I'll fast forward it so it only takes 30 seconds to finish this whole area. Okay? Check it out. Kept 6 cars here that I'll keep behind. 4 locomotives over here. Those locomotives get stored separately, so let's go to the other side and go with that. Yo, what's up? Over on this side, I'm gonna finish up by grabbing up all the roller stock right along here. I'll start plucking them off underneath this area right here. Clean it all up for now. So I have an open area to pluck everything. Some of my palm trees. See, they're right here. Put those to the side. Light doesn't matter. It's gonna go here. All these figures and stuff will be coming up, so I'll take them up now so I have the room. Basketball scene, you know, all the people. You see, I'm just going up the fence. The fence is not gonna go. Nope, fence won't go. Things that will go, parking meters and the parking bumpers, all these little details. So right now what we're gonna start doing is I'm gonna remove all these cars, most of them at least, and we'll start it up. And since you don't want to have to watch this whole process in slow motion, we'll zoom it forward so it only takes like 20 seconds. All right, let's go. Okay, all the rolling stock has been removed except for the few locomotives that are here. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove all the people and the little details. So that will all go in here. And what I mean by people and details, that means all of the garbage cans and street signs. All going to go in here. The basketball scene stuff will all go in here too. All the details.
This thing is broken.
And that goes with as well as the jersey barriers, all those little tiny things like that. All gonna go in here. Try to safely take the people off. Some people will die in the making of this. In the removal of this, there will be deaths. There will be casualties. Gotta remove some of these palm trees to get into the people. Yeah.
Daddy.
It's okay, honey.
Daddy.
Yes.
Look at this.
I see.
He's flying everywhere.
I see.
Dad used to do this too.
Because we're removing all the people, honey.
Dad used to do this too.
So anyway, this is all the people and all the things I have in the layout, you know, including shopping carts, parking meters, and all that things. Right there. There it is. So now let's take a look at the layout. Let's do a quick walk around so you can see this over here is kind of the same, but with almost no rolling stock except for a few engines and the few cars I was saving. That's it. Empty yard. I tore out lights and stuff, you know. Anything that was in my way, I just ripped out, you know. I took out, which I wasn't planning. I was snatching out palm trees, you know. Snatching those babies out. Just ripping them out like that. But that's what I have here. You can see Adarius is running a train back and forth over here.
I'm gonna make it.
And take a look at that. Look at this mess. Look at the city.
There's a ghost town.
Look at that. So there's some things I forgot, like the ice machine, you know. Pick those up in a second go around. But look. Zombie town, ghost town. Alright, so there it is. This is the end of series 2. Removal of all the rolling stock except for a few locomotives. The other ones are upstairs. And all the people have been removed. A lot of the signs have been removed, most of the details. And I guess my next series will be removing buildings and then the DCC system and all that type of stuff, you know. It's gonna be real quick, won't be too much more. I filled up 1.5 totes. I could have filled up probably 1, but I didn't want to have it too heavy, so check it out. It's tote number 1 and tote number 2. I'll end up putting some more in tote number 2 because I have some upstairs in my my work office that I didn't get to bring to the layout, but they're out of the packages, so I'll wrap those up and put them in there as well. But that's it. Yo, I hope you enjoyed series 2. This is kind of sad. It was really hard. I'm not gonna lie. This time around, it was a bit difficult to do because I'm just ripping out everything that the time I spent on making these scenes and creating them. So it was a bit hard, but I know at the end that there's a better future for this, a better layout. So it makes it okay. But it still is a little sucky ripping it out, as you've seen in the video. Did a lot of removal of stuff, and I got a lot more to do. But for now, your boy Al and Adarius, we're gonna be out. So we'll see you guys on a rebound, all right? Peace out.